We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 388, part 1. What is this? DRYTRON versus Prank Kids. This one, I can't believe I won game 1 and 2. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Watch. This is my hand. Pansies, linked off, effect, parallel exceed, effect, summon. Exceed's gonna get another exceed. Linked off for Dagusto Emerald. And then linked off for Dodo, Lampsies, and Dodo. Dodo's gonna get pranks. What is that? Lampsies is gonna burn and special. Pranks, activate, discard token. Another Dodo. Oh. Dropsies gain special summon Roxy's. For Bark, and then Roxy's. What the heck is Roxy's effect again? Banish one card and draw one card and special summon. Okay. Dodo, tribute, and target 2 cards. Place, add Prank Kids monster from deck to your hand. Target 3 monsters and draw one card. Okay. Birthday, I was like, oh no, is he gonna go for Dragoon? He didn't activate Birthday's effect. That was weird. Maybe he misclicked. He said something about misclicking. Pranks, send phase, shuffle 3. Those were the 3 Roxy's, Lampsies, and Roxy's. And draws one card. RP's Feather Duster. It's gonna Pandemonium, special summon a fusion summon. It's gonna Bark. What is that? Monsters you control can Prank Kid monsters can be destroyed by opponent's card effects. What? Battle Butler. Jeez. It's gonna special summon a bunch of Prank Kids now. And he has a Meow Meow in there. He could double Regeki. Nova. Alpha. Nakaribo, Alpha. Tribute Gamma. Benton. Gamma. Tribute Delta. Special Summon Delta. Then he's going to Battle Butler. But then I Orange Light. He's gonna Battle Butler again, which still clears the whole field. I set a card and somehow I win this. Do I win this one? No, I don't think so. I don't think I game 1, no? Or I somehow survived this. Oh, yeah, I somehow survived this. He could still Raigeki himself. Attribute and still Raigeki, no more meow meow. Okay. Alpha Zeta. Natasha. Okay. Zeta Natasha. Add. There can only be one. Oh no. Okay, Natasha. Natasha. Target itself. Gain an attack. Do I have a Cyber Angel in there? I do have Ben 10. Delta. Delta tribute Natasha. And then DRYTRON decrease attack by 1000, add back. So Natasha banishes Cyber Angel, target a monster, special summon, and then take control. I was gonna take control of Battle Butler, but he used itself. And Natasha again, target itself, gain half the attack. Yeah, he didn't want me to get his Battle Butler, but that's okay. Natasha destroys Anaconda, and my turn. Okay, he says he screws up here. You're supposed to target one of your banished monsters to summon. If you shuffle. So yeah, he was supposed to shuffle back meow meow with Nemesis Corridor, and he said he screwed up. This is what surprised me. Natasha says right here, when a ritual monster is you control is targeted for an attack, you can negate the attack. I'm like, okay. He's the only one, so I negated all of their attacks. Not a once per turn negate. Ooh, call but a grave. Natasha. Kane. Ooh, I was Alpha tribute Natasha. I had a 10. I had a 10. Okay. Tribute Alpha, add DRYTRON from the hand, or from the deck. Delta. Tribute. Activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster. Draw a card. Okay. DRYTRON decrease attack by 1000, add back from grave. Natasha. Banishes Cyber Angel. Target the Nemesis Corridor. And let's duel wins. Natasha, wow. That was part 1, right? I think that was part 1. 388 part 2. Yeah, it's gotta be part 2. Once again, I somehow win this. That gets prank. Discard. Special summon a token. Normal summon dropsies. 2 prank his monster. Dodo. Dodo and dropsies. Dodo will add the what the heck was that? Pandemonium? Yeah. Dropsies. Gain 1000 special summon pansies from the deck. Goes for a Bow Bark, pansies. Special summon. Bracket scarf from the deck. Sent Lampsies for Lampsies. Thunder Dragon Fusion. It's not just a Thunder Dragon. This guy's a Thunder. And he shuffled back Pansies and Dropsies. does not have a meow. Oh, there's the meow. Lampsey's burn special. Jens' turn. Dodo! Chew the bricks. Put it right here. Drop it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Droplet. Alpha. Foolish. For Bow Bark, so I could pop. I could destroy his monsters, and the Battle Butler so he doesn't quick effect Regeki me. Alpha. Zeta. There we go. Zeta Benton. Zeta add Meteor Strytron. Benton will add Diviner. Normal summon Diviner. Activate effect. Send Herald of Arclight. Arclight Grave effect. Add Ultimateness. Two level 2 or 2+ level 1 monsters. Move it to Fafnir. Effect. Dump Gamma. Meteor Strytron. Decrease from or detach from Fafnir. Special summon Ultimateness. Meteor Strytron. Decrease attack by 1000. Add back from grave. Meteor Strytron. Ritual summon Benton. Decrease from move it to Fafnir. 2 level 6 monsters. Beatrice. Beatrice effect. Attach Diviner. Send Eva. Eva effect. Banish Diviner and Arclight to get Diviner and Orange Light. Gamma. Tribute. Special. Effect. Special. 2 effect monsters. Birthday Anaconda. Birthday Anaconda. Pay 2000. Copyright as Fusion. Let's do it! Does he have a deck? Let's check it out. Oh, he does have one. 388. Okay. See, this is why I should be recording right after, so you could see the rank. But that was from 1060 to 1080, and I still didn't get nothing. Still at 257. Let's check out his deck. 388. Right there. Here we go. You put the traps first. That's weird. Usually it's like monster spells and traps. I've never seen Thunder Dragon Fusion, and I don't really play prank kids. Comment, share, like if you sub, if you like it. See you guys.